You want mama? Is that what you want? You want mama? You say, where's mama? Mama's right here. He wants mama. No, he wants food though too. It's okay. Look, now he'll like pick at my freckles because he'll think the freckles. See, he's picking at my freckles. Nope, that's not food. See, he's picking at that one freckle. It's not food. He really thinks that's food. Look, he's gonna. Yep, it's another freckle. Adorable. Hey, it's okay. Say hi.